Welcome to Green Frog Designs. This short video will show you how easy it is to assemble our best-selling large chicken lodge. The build process is very similar for all our poultry housing. Your house will be delivered flat-packed. Inside you'll find all the plastic parts, the metal door and wooden perches, and a bag with the fixings and a comprehensive set of instructions. You can assemble this house in about an hour, even if you have minimal DIY skills. You just need a few basic tools. Right, let's get started. First, we fit the two vent covers to the right side wall and tighten the nuts until the vents rotate using gentle pressure. We then take the front panel and fit the straight door retainers. Then add the curved retainers. Before we actually fit the door, we take a small clevis pin, pop it into the hole and secure it using a washer and a split ring. Once this is done, the door can be fixed in position. Don't over-tighten the nut, as the door must rotate freely. Now we can start to form the house by fitting one of the side walls to the base using plastic clips. They simply push into place. If you get it wrong, you can remove them quite easily. Next, fit the opposite side. Then the lower back wall, and the wall brace. Now you can stand the house up and fit the central roof support, the upper back wall, and the side roof retainers. We turn the house onto its back before lifting the front into position. With the lugs through the holes, plastic clips hold everything firmly in place. Next, take the back door and fit the two handles. We are now ready to lift the back door into position, securing it with the handles and a couple of quick-release linch pins. The remaining roof retainers can now be added, one at the front of the house, one at the back. This is the time to add the perches, which are held into place by linch pins. Moving on to the nest boxes, we first clip together the base and the ends. Add the divider, and then add the front wall. The nest box lid is kept flat by 3 bracing bars which clip on from underneath. A linch pin is tied to each end brace. The whole nest box assembly is lifted into position on the house at a slight angle, with the L-shaped lugs going into the holes in the sides. The 3 upper lugs are then secured inside the house with linch pins. The lid simply slides up the sidebars and drops onto the lugs. The The cord on the linchpins ensures that they can't be lost when you're collecting eggs. The ramp is fixed under the door using 2 long clevis pins and R-clips. It's a deliberately loose fit, so that it can tilt to the ground under its own weight. We're nearly finished now. The roof is placed on top, making sure that the handle slot is to the front. Secure the center lugs first, then the side ones with linchpins. All we need to do now is tie the door cord to the split ring in the door. Pass it through the handle slot and tie it to the handle. You need to adjust the length of the cord so that when the door is fully raised, the handle just hooks onto the edge of the opposite handhold. Excess cord is cut off, and to stop the cord fraying, melt the end of the cord with a flame. To add the optional chicken guard auto opener, holes are pre-drilled, so it simply bolts to the front of the house, and the cord is tied to the split ring in the door. If you use wood shavings for bedding, you will want to add the optional droppings trays. To find out more about our products, visit our online shop at greenfrogdesigns.co.uk.